made it to the temple. It was only €4 to get in. It was really not bad. The sun is absolutely beating down on me right now, but it turns out the temple of Zeus has this huge, you can see behind me, this huge flat area they cleared in front of it. I'm not sure what used to be over here, if there were buildings or if they cleared it out just to have a better view of the temple itself. But the clearing is huge. I'd say it's like a football field long. And then I'll turn around here in just a sec so you can see it. But there's sort of two sections. There's one, it looks like they're either doing construction or they're trying to repair it, some sort temporarily. But you can see a huge group of columns over here. And then you have two more beautifully, see if I can zoom in. It's not really letting me, but beautifully decorated columns over here. That just look unreal. And then on this side, you have another two columns, pretty wide and far apart. And then there's actually not ruins. It looks like they were methodically sort of chopped up, so you can get a look at that, the design. Actually, no, it looks like the columns were built in sections. I don't think it was Greece, like the city that actually cut it up. I think that's how they built the columns. That's how it's looking, unless it was restored somehow. Like, I don't know. I'm just looking into it. But this must have been a huge temple stretching from this way all the way over here. All that remains are, a few columns. But the ones that are over here are packed pretty close together, which leads me to believe that there must have been dozens and dozens stretching the length of the actual temple here. And now there's no statues or anything else really remaining here. There is a gorgeous gate that I'll show you in just a second, but I imagine this must have been a huge temple. What's amazing is the architecture of these columns go dozens of meters in the air. And, oh man, I'm gonna turn around so you can see this. We have a view of the, there it is. Oh, up there, yeah. Church bells are ringing. There's a gorgeous view of the Acropolis up there. What's really cool is you can see it even all the way back the other direction where the Airbnb is. There's streetways that have these views of the Acropolis, which again, it really isn't that far of a walk. I'll turn around so you can see the gate behind me as well. This is one of the other entrances to the front of the museum area they have. But anyway, that's so cool about all this, is you can just imagine what the city looked like thousands of years ago with the beautifully ornate columns, the temple, the statues and everything. I mean, it's just unreal. Unreal how all this was made before you had any modern technology. So I don't think there's too much else to show here, so I'll probably stop the recording in just a sec. But for only €4, coming in and see this is just unreal. And I mean, the sort of basin of Athens, I'll turn around so you can see this. There's a huge, it's a really short mountain, more like an outcrop. And then there's mountains all over here, which is just beautiful.